You showing him how to use it? No, he's not all done yet. Corbs, what do you think? Hey, Hadley, don't shake it, please. What do you think, baby? Hadley, be very careful. Yeah, you don't want to shake it. Don't shake it, I said. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, be nice. Hey, be nice. You can take turns, okay? He's in it right now. You can go in it in a little bit. Hadley, you take turns. You share. Corbs, what do you think, huh? Is this all new? Is this crazy? Hadley, Lynn. I said no. You share. Hey, you have all these toys in the living room. Hey, yeah, he doesn't need that. Hey, quit shoving that in his mouth. He'll put it right here, and if he wants it, he'll grab it. There you go. Hadley, don't shake that.
What happened? Mom, up and down.
Up and down? What's going on, Corbin? You just don't know what to think. We're way too short for it. Look at those legs just hanging there. We'll have to adjust it. But you look pretty cute sitting in there. Does everybody love Hadley's outfit? She's wearing footy pajamas and a tutu.
Baby, Hadley too.
You got your tutu on, Hadley?
Yeah.
Can you dance in your tutu? There you go. Let's see you dance. What's in the stroller? Teacup?
Monkeys.
Such a good thing you have your sister to entertain you, Corbin.